I want some cold starting videos. These are my two machines that I'm going to start up for you. I'm going to place the camera on the floor and we'll get them started. If I can get the camera positioned right, I'll do it. Hold up, guys. Give me a minute. It's being wonky. Tell me if you can see this ring trimmer, guys. First, we're going to put on choke, prime it, pull, it fired, half choke. Uh-oh. Try again. That's enough of that. Now we go with the leaf blower. Turn the on switch on. Throttle engage just a little bit. On choke. Prime. Pull. Let it die. Turn off the choke. Throttle closed. It's not a good time. Good. For the fun, we'll just start them all up. They're all running now. I'll turn them both off. There you go. That's my first cold start video.